Hi, this is Martha with usbornebookusa.com. I wanted to talk about some of our math resources that we have. Right here I have a book that's from our Wipe Clean series. This is First Numbers. This book right here, you use a dry erase marker or you can even use the crayons, then they come right off. It has a lot of pre-writing skills, tracing, counting. The pages are super sturdy. This is good for the little guys. And then we also have Telling the Time. Telling the Time, this is a Stephen Cartwright book, so there's a little yellow duck that you'll find on every single page. These two hands right here move independently of each other, and you will use the story to determine the time. So there's that. This is the Lift the Flap timetables books. This is really great because it engages another one of the senses when you're learning. It's important to engage a lot of the senses when you're learning, and this one's very interactive. So here's an idea of what that looks like as you're going through. It has a lot of flaps. It has 125 flaps. This right here is a learning wrap-up. This is going to be kind of difficult for me to do with one hand, but let me explain how this works. So this is addition. So let's just say that you have 7 plus 6, right? So you would wrap it around, and you would wrap it to the 13, and you keep going down, and you wrap around, and then when you turn it over, you have all these lines, and the strings will cover it, so it's self-checking. We have these for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, states and capitals, and yeah, those are great. Okay, this right here, these are our math dictionaries, and these math dictionaries are a really good resource and homework helper. Right here, this is for the younger ones. This is the First Illustrated Math Dictionary. So you can see what that has inside of it. And then right here is the Elementary Math Dictionary. And this one has a little bit more difficult concepts, but this is really great for helping your children with their homework when you've forgotten how to deal with fractions. Or what all these different 3D, 2D shapes and little algebra beginning concepts. And then right here, this book right here was actually talked about at an education conference I just attended. And this is good for junior high and high school. It's not only good for a homework helper for them, but when you want to sit down and help your children and you have forgotten all of this stuff, this is an incredible reference. These 3 books also come as a combined volume set as a kit, and they come along with those manipulatives. So there's some help with math.